Okay, so we're going to do a bit of a quick refactoring. Now, the good thing about refactoring is that we've got a suite of tests, i.e. it's only 2 tests at the minute, but that's not the problem. But we will need to ensure that as we make changes that we don't break a test. So what we're going to do is go into the sayHello method, and we're just going to refactor out this string into a constant. So let's just do that for a second. Really, should we call that greeting? Makes more sense. Do that. Create a constant. Paste that in. Okay. So all we've done is lift that out from a method level to a class level. And if we go back and run the tests, we should see that all the tests will pass. And this gives us confidence that when we make changes, and i.e. that's just, okay, albeit that's a small change, but when we do make these changes that we don't break existing tests. So in our greetings class now, we've lifted out the greeting, but the tests stay the same.